Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And sometimes you wonder how Microsoft actually wants to handle security within Windows. And this is a little story of what has happened this year, where basically all of our PCs were vulnerable to a specific attack using the Windows shell link files, or the LNK files. These Windows shell link files were actually involved in a possible attack. And apparently, a lot of major threat actors, including state sponsored attacks, exploited this within Windows because it's kind of an easy way to have malware and things happen on your PC that shouldn't be. So, way back in February or March of 2025, security researchers warned Microsoft that the Windows shell link files were used to attack Windows users. And now Microsoft came back and said, well, we're not going to really fix it because it's not really a big threat, because it just means that you have to, absolutely do something for that to happen. So you have to open some form of a file. You have to actually, Microsoft, what they think is, well, people won't be clicking on that link in an email, or which of course is not the case. We see this all the time and trying to, exploit different flaws. And it made it really easy for LNK files to be exploited in that way. And that made a lot of security researchers kind of wonder, well, is Microsoft really serious in wanting to protect us? And over time, nothing happened during the summer. And suddenly, in the last update, Microsoft quietly changed a few rules concerning the LNK files so that we could see and have a better look at what's happening if an attack happens. But the problem is they still haven't fixed it or prevented anything from happening with that. I guess it's maybe because it's a little difficult to apply a fix on it, but still, security researchers came back this week saying, well, okay, now that you've changed the rules, we get it. We get the fact that now it's kind of something that could be better managed, especially since LNK or Windows shell link files were not part of being detected by antivirus or by malware software. That would actually put it in a bad state. For example, Mark of the Web is another example where a file downloaded from the internet is marked as a bad file. Well, LNK files didn't have that possibility, and they still kind of change a little bit in the status, but they still don't really register as possible bad files if they are infected. So anyways, Microsoft kind of did something, but really kind of did nothing at the same time, which means that these files are still vulnerable. And this is what a lot of security researchers are saying, is that sometimes Microsoft is fast at reacting to bad, malware, to all sorts of ways that security could be attacked. But sometimes it is so slow, as if almost the team that's behind all this security doesn't really understand. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.